living roots, deep beneath the living roots. Yet it hums of branches, shears, we need new ways to grow. 7 hands working in a sacred dance. Each one lives, each one stands to light on the shadow glow. 7 voices, one song in the forest. Root to canopy, strong in the forest. Yeah, yeah. Let it entwine, vines that reach and twist the line. The towering limbs of fruits that climb, a woven world in glow. Shelters cast, the soil drinks and holds it fast. The roots dig deep, the layers last through the rhythm, the sun and moon. 7 voices, one song in the forest. Root to canopy, strong in the forest. Yeah, yeah. Leaf and limb, the forest sings in leaf and limb. The chorus old yet new within, born from the hands of time. Boughs stretch wide, a canopy where life can hide, where every seed and root's align, no peace left behind.